Hi guys, welcome back to Steve Finance. In this video right here, I'm going to tell you how you can start making money by basically watching video. I'm not joking right now, you will know in this video, at the end of this video, how to start making money by simply watching video. If that's what you're looking for, a passive way, to make money out there on the internet from the comfort of your own home by basically watching video online in 2022. This strategy right here, this method that I will show you, will help you to start making money and just save up, have a little more extra income at the end of the day, at the end of the month. This will help you just by using your own phone, your own mobile or PC or laptop, whatever you have available for you. This will help you to start making money, achieve financial freedom, and just have extra money at the end of the month in your bank account, in your wallet at the end of the day. If that's what you're looking for, a way you can make money right now by simply watching videos, so doing a passive action that everybody do every single day, and it doesn't require you too much energy, doesn't require you to invest money or time into it. It's just a real passive way to make money while you're chilling, while you're at home, while you're relaxing. If that's what you're looking for, keep watching, because in this video right here, I will tell you everything you need to know. I will guide you step by step, give you all the tools you need so you can get started, start making money online in 2022, and of course be happy, achieve financial freedom, be relaxed, and just doing something that you love, that you already do every single day. Simply watching video, and in the meantime making money out of it. Just simply start right now, this 2022, this new year, in a new way. Basically just changing the direction for this new year, a direction where you will have money, you will achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to Steve Finance so that you don't miss any new video that I upload every week. And as always, I will leave the links in the box below so that you can go and connect with me. Hi guys, so as you can see here right now, I will show you what you'll have to do for you can find this instrument that will allow you to make money. You just need to type on Google Zoombox and will show you this website right here, zoombox.com. Earn free money and get free gift card. That's basically the website, and of course what we have to do is just log in and create an account, and of course what we look for is earn free PayPal money. Of course, if you click the website, it will bring in this new page, as you can see here, Zoombox with this $sign, and all you have to do, as you can see here, basically go to this website, zoombox.com. As you can see right here, earn cash by completing survey, watching TV, and doing offers. In this case, what we are looking for is not completing surveys or doing offers, it's basically watching video. That's what I will tell you, and I will show you in this video how you can make money by basically watching video every single day. Let's see how it works. Basically, first step, want engagement. Advertiser want engagement for the survey, product, and service. And basically, brands want more views in their video. They're a creator, they're a website platform, they create content and want people to watch it. We recruit members. Basically, what Zoombox does is look for people like you that is ready to watch your video and help brands out there get views. Of course, what we have to do is do an online action. Of course, they also do survey and completing of offers, but what we have to focus on is watching video. As you can see right here, the way that you will see your rewards, you can see there are many big brands that are available out there that can help you to, of course, bring your action every single day of watching video into cash, into money. You have the different option with a gift card, as you can see here, from Apple, from iTunes, Amazon, and so on. But of course, you also have the option to receive PayPal money. In this case, as you can see here, you can also see live feed. This basically show you different offers that are available right now in this moment and how much are actually paying in this moment right now while you're watching this video. What we have to focus on right now is join for free. Basically, this button right here, all you have to do is just enter your email address. You will just have to type your email address, then your password, and confirm again your password. And then you'll have just to click the sign up button, fill up all your personal information, you will be ready to go. And of course, maybe they will ask you to confirm your email address just for confirm that it's yours, and you'll be ready to go. If you want to save up time instead, you can sign up with Facebook. There's another option. If you want to save up time, you can sign up with your Facebook account. Or instead, you can also sign up with your Google account just for can save up time. This is an also option available for you. But you just have to join for free. This depends on you how you prefer. Enter your email, password, or use your Facebook or Google account, and you're ready to go. Then, after you will have signed up, created your account, it will actually bring you in this page right here. As you can see here, this is the page where the website will actually bring you. And after you will be here, what you have to do, of course, you can see these lyrics. We would like to show you notification for the latest news and updates. At the moment, I will just click cancel. It's not really necessary that you allow it or click it right now. Let's go to the focus of this video. You can see here you have the home page of the website, Zoom box, and of course answer a survey and earn the main page right here. Or if you see above, of course it will require you to confirm your email account so you can start redeem a reward. So of course in this case you need to confirm your email address in order to start making money. Of course, if you go here and refer and earn, you already have 500 points as a reward just for the fact that you sign up. And of course, if you just click in this case to stats, of course you will be able to see how much money you already have made by referring this platform to other people. So if you refer the platform, you can also make money out of it. Of course, just create an account, so the earning are 0. But if we go in this case to the ladder with the news, you can see all the offer that are already available for you right now. Like this one right here, $1 free plus up to $50 per survey complete. Just already one offer, so is available to me right now. Just for creating the account, you can click start making money. It will bring me to this platform. It will bring me here in this page with all the offers available, all the survey that I can do right now, and how much money I can earn just for completing a survey. But of course, even down here you can see also the offers, the live feed, but that's not what we're going to focus on. We're going to focus on making money by watching video. And of course you also have a tutorial right here. It will show you in a really simple way how you can start making money by watching videos. And we already have 2 options available just by creating the account. In a matter of a few seconds, we already have 2 options. 2 offer available: Hideout TV and Low Tably. Of course, the first one say earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. I can look for more info and start. The other ones say earn 5 points for every 3 video watched with ads. And of course, credits unlimited times, minimum amount to redeem from LOL TV is 10 points. Is already 2 options available. We're gonna go with the first one that give you 7 points every 3 videos, so looks like it's paying more. Of course, here we'll bring to this page right here. Of course, there is the cookie section. I will just reject all and click save and exit. It will bring you right here. Of course, you can see the video that we'll have to watch is loading the ads, so we just have to wait a few seconds for the ads to load. And we'll be able to start making money by simply watching ads. And if you look down here to your reward info is here, click to open. If you just click got it, just wait a second. Okay, if you just click your reward info is now here, click to open. If you click got it, it will show you actually how many points you already got. And of course, in this case, in order to start earning points, you just need to sign up in their account. So just click on sign up to redeem so in this case, for can receive your rewards points and start collecting them in your account. In order to make money, you just need to sign up in Hideout TV account. So if you just click the account, it will just show you all the information that you need. Even down here you can see the description of the video, all the information about the video that you're watching, so you can be aware of what kind of video you will be watching. If you just click sign up to redeem, it will bring you to this brand new page. And as you can see here, discover better videos with Hideout TV. And all you have to do is just sign up in their account. Just give your username, email address, and enter a password, of course, here as well. When you will enter your email address, then you will have to verify it is yours. So you will also have to confirm you're at least 30 years old. And also, if you want to accept any promotional emails, it's not necessary. And you will have to sign up, and you will be able to start to make money every single day by basically watching videos. From a really passive action. They will help you to make money. But of course, if you're not really interested in watching video, if you have other preference, or if you just want to make more money out of it, of course there are other options available. You can also complete tasks, you can also complete surveys, so there are many options available for you that you can do every single day. For example, if we look to survey, you can see the one that are already available for me right now that you can pay 7 cents for survey, but that's a little bit, that's not enough. Let's look for this one that actually give you $10 for each survey completion. So it's really good amount, because you make $10 for each survey. If I just complete these 2 survey, I already have made $20 that I can already transfer with PayPal to my PayPal account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel Steve Finance, so that you can help with the algorithm, and also to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new video that I upload every week